What is up, YouTube? So today we're out here at the Jelly Belly factory in Fairfield, California. We're gonna go take a look at just the store today. I don't have time to do the tour, but we're gonna check out the cafe and store and see what kind of goods they have here. So like and subscribe and let's go explore. Jelly Belly, it's the best jelly beans in the world. And here we are. Starts with this cool jelly bean Harry Potter art. These are all jelly beans. And here's some more on this side. This Darth Vader one is cool. The lightsaber is just, it's like literally glowing. And you got Yoda here, and then Ronald Reagan. All made out of jelly beans. Got a full chocolate shop back here. People working in the cornstarch. Alright, I may need to get one of these giant peanut butter cups. Chocolate covered gummy worms. Some marshmallow sticks, different nut clusters. Peanut butter cloud, marshmallows, peanut butter riddle. That sounds darn good. Chocolate dipped fruit, ginger, some haystacks, which is coconut. I see some fudge over here, tiger bark. This is dangerous. Here's a little display of the different flavors of fudge you can get from behind there. It's the cases of belly flops. These are all the ones that didn't pass quality control. You can see the mess ups in there. Buy 3 bags, get 3 bags for free. Different swag items, t-shirts, sweatshirts. Here's the fudge. Jelly Belly ornaments, shot glasses. Probably not called a shot glass anymore. Jelly Belly puzzles and cups. These socks are pretty cool. I may want to pick one of those up. Here's the wall of jelly beans, all the flavors. Some sour pucker lip candy, Krispy Kreme donut flavors, the sour mix, the cocktail mix. I didn't know this existed. The Snapple flavor. Tropical. Mango. Juicy pear. This one is like, I think my favorite flavor that exists. Crushed pineapple sounds good too. Cream soda, root beer, boba milk tea, mango milk tea, taro milk tea. These are probably newer. I haven't seen these before. And here's the boba tea mix.
You can get the little guy or you can get the little piece.
Hot Wheels. You just saw on the wall up there. You can get your own personal little dispensers for home.
Aiden,
popcorn machine for that popcorn flavor. That flavor really splits it. You either love it or hate it. There's another one that really splits fans. Do you like candy corn or not? Looks like a Harry Potter theme table, some butter beer, a Harry Potter dispenser. You can get those BeanBoozled. What are the flavors on these gross ones right now? Sriracha, jalapeno, cayenne, habanero, and Carolina Reaper. So these are the fiery mix. And then over here you got a game, it looks like. The BeanBoozled game. Is it going to be cappuccino or liver and onions? Pomegranate or old bandages? Berry blue or toothpaste? Licorice or burnt rubber? Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish? My favorite, juicy pear or boogers? Not my favorite. Peach barf, toasted marshmallow or stink bud? Top banana or wet dog? Tutti frutti or stinky socks? That seems like a good time for the family there. Here's another game. So am I going to get burnt rubber or licorice? I haven't seen these before, but they're sour gummies, Jelly Bellies. Some Swedish fish looking things, Jelly Belly Swedish fish. Some pre-packaged mixes.
Yes, here's like unicorn.
And then it looks like on this side of the building, you got the cafe. So you can get breakfast here, you can get lunch here, pizzas. Ice creams. Stuff by the case on sale. Hodgepodge of irregular candies, it looks like. $1 a piece. That's a pretty good deal. Let's go see what's in here. This stuff looks like super good deals. 50-cent candies. Candy corn for 50 cents. Rose flavor. I do not like a rose flavored anything. Super fruit mix. $2. Snapple mix for $2. Dude, I tried this year, and this was it didn't taste like pumpkin pie at all to me. It was weird. And some gummy gators for only $2. A caddy of 24 of these little boxes is only $5. You could just keep those for next year's Christmas. The champagnes, some lollipops. And there's the cafe. Full cafe, breakfast and lunch. Let's go pick up a couple other things. Presidential gummy bears. This little display. Got Reagan up there. I'm guessing he was a huge fan of this.
Can we go outside? Yeah, you can go outside.
Some artifacts. Alright, that was the Jelly Belly store. Secured a bag. I got a a bag of Easter candy for $1. I made my own mix of crushed pineapple. I told you my favorite, the juicy pear. And then I hit up the chocolate shop and got 2 peanut butter cups, those giant peanut butter cups, and a couple chocolate covered gummy worms. And I'm excited to try them all out. I need to come back and do the full tour, and when you do the tour they'll let you into the museum, but they said I can't do the museum without signing up for the full tour. It's kind of part of it. So that'll be for next time, but for today, cool spot. I'll definitely be back. Long live Jelly Belly. Appreciate y'all, like and subscribe. Until next time. Peace. This place is a big spot. You got the actual factory, the corporate offices. You come down this street. It's got the signs everywhere. There were tons of kids out, so I tried my best not to put them on camera. But fun stuff out here in Fairfield, and I only did about probably 10% of everything you could do there.